Good morning, everybody. How are you? I think you are fine. Today, I will revise your grammar. And you know that your exam is coming. If you are having any problem, you can ask to my portal also, to Neha ma'am's portal also. No problem for that. Okay, and today I will tell you about the grammar, and for that reader portion, please read all the readers chapter thoroughly. Reading, please read thoroughly, means reading part you should read very nicely, and from that chapters the MCQ will be coming. MCQ means you know that multiple choice question. No big question answer, no question answer will be coming. Only that multiple choice question answer, tick marks question. So please read all the chapter thoroughly. And if you are having also any problem, please write to Neha ma'am. So today I will just give the revision of English grammar. So here I have already, I think I taught you the apostrophe s. That is also in term 1, your term 1 chapter. So apostrophe s, you know that. I think that singular person only like the postman letters, postman's bag. If I am telling the postman's bag. So here where we can just put the apostrophe s. But if I am telling teacher's day, rabbit's burrow, doctor's day, whatever we are telling that time we can, where we can put the apostrophe s. So here number 1, I am just giving the question. So here the dash postman's bag, postman the or bag of a postman, if I am telling. The bag of a postman. Postman. So here where we can put the apostrophe. Option number 1, the postman's bag. Number 2, the postman's bag. Postman's bag. And number 3 option, the postman's bag. So please tell that answer. No need to write. You can also think, you can answer this. Okay, all this class you will can get in your YouTube also recording. So no need to write. Only you can think, and please read thoroughly all the books. I'm just telling. And this answer please give me. So number 2, you are giving the postman's bag. But I am not telling postman's bag. Here first number, postman's bag, after man, only a singular number I have given. So first answer is the right, not number 2. Okay. So number 1 bag is the postman's bag. If I am telling the teacher's day, teacher's day, teacher's day, which one is correct? Number 1, number 2, teacher's day. Number 3, that teacher day. So I think you know that answer. So number 1 is the correct answer. So here, please do all these things. Okay. Snehanjana, please off your camera. Okay, beta. So, number. After that, I can also tell that, if I am telling that, fill in the blanks, with appropriate fill in the blanks with appropriate describing words. If I am telling the sums, do you know the meaning of sums? Snehanjana, beta, please off your front camera. Okay, thank you, beta. The sums are dash. Option number 1, it is empty. Number 2, difficult. Number 3, sums are empty, difficult, and anything we can tell that heavy. So which one you can tell that? Number 2, option number 2 we can give. So here sums are difficult. So another also questions I can give you. So here that I am just telling appropriate describing words. Number 2, another thing, the dash woman gives you a beautiful doll. So which woman? Appropriate describing words. Number 1 or A we can give, that wise. Number 2, oh please Diksha, don't do like this anything. That truth. Number 3, also we can give that hollow. So I think you know the meaning. So number 1, if I am telling that wise woman, so this has a meaning, and also we can do like this. Okay, so you have to do like this from the describing words, and besides that you are having has, have, all this. So has, have, we can tell, put has or have in the gaps. Here also option are there. Number 1. So here I dash a nice bag. Please write the answer. I am not telling the answer. Please write the answer. No need. I am just telling Snehanjana, no need to write the notebook. I am just telling please practice. Yes, have. Obviously have. Number 2, if I am telling the main dash here I am giving, here has or have, I am just telling beard. You can write that main. I am telling that main. Please write the answer. Number 2. Who has written the has? Snehanjana, please write the spelling properly. No, not has. I am just telling the main. So main is the plural number. So plural number, please write Plural number means here we can put the have. So, I will just give a hint. I am telling one thing here for reminding you once. Reminding you once, I have, we have. Singular and plural, please remember. Singular and plural. I have, we have. You have, you have. He has, they, he has, she has, they have. Okay. So please, plural number means have, children have, men have. All the plural number we are telling that have, and singular number we are telling has. So please remember all these things, okay? So here, if I am telling that, like this also, yes or yes. Yes or yes, if I am putting the appropriate verb form. So here, if I am giving the example, men dash nice dress. Here, option number 1, wear. Number 2, wears. Number 3, none of this. So here we can just put the wear. Very good. Wear. So here, please, all these things you know that because you are not noticing properly. That's why you are not doing properly. So here, like this, if I am telling child plays football. Again, if I am telling that children play football. So here when plural number we are not putting s or yes, but singular number we should put s or yes. Okay, but please remember I told that deer, sheep, all these singular and plural are same. Goose, geese. Please remember goose, geese, all these things. Geese means plural. So when you are telling the geese, geese play on the water. Okay, floats on water, goose floats on water. So all these things, please notice properly. Then only we can do very nice answer. And I think you have got the syllabus from Neha Ma'am C portal, and also you will do very nicely. You can read grammar book and also textbook. Next, number 3, if I am telling that verb, doing words. Okay, doing words, just I have told again, I can tell that underline or identify. Underline the doing words. But MCQ question only you have to identify. Doing words. Number 1, if here I can give that nuts, a bricklayer makes walls. So which one is, please write, Snehanjana, Diksha, anybody, please write which one is doing words? Makes, very good. So here, makes. So number here, 4 words will be there, bricklayer, makes, walls. So 4 words from, I can choose the makes. If I am telling that sweeper. The sweeper swept the floors. So which one? Sweeper swept. So here sweeper swept the floors. Okay. So this one are doing words. Like this type of MCQ question will be coming. So if you are having any problem, please tell me, or you can write. Why quoted message? Anything, please do this in your class very nicely. And if you are having any problem, no. Okay, beta. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye, beta.